Greetings everyone from UEI Global Education. My name is Christina Matthew Korgaonkar, Associate Director for English Communication and Personality Development. Today, I'm delighted to be interviewing Ayush Bidve, our UEI Culinary Competition Champion 2024. Ayush Bidve is pursuing his second year in BSc Hospitality Studies from UEI Pune. His passion, dedication, hard work and creativity were the epitome of what helped him win the UEI Culinary Competition Champions Trophy in 2024. Now, I would like to welcome Ayush Bidve for a tete-a-tete about his culinary competition journey. Ayush, welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Are you ready to answer a few questions?
Yes, of course.
I'll keep it simple.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, here are some questions. Take us back to that moment. What went through your mind when your name was announced as the UCC Champion 2024?
The first thing that came to my mind was in spite of my health issues and all the people who have said to me that I cannot be a chef or I cannot work in hospitality sector, I have proven all of them wrong. And it was a very happening moment because it was my first trophy and I have won it on a national level.
Superb. Everyone else sees the trophy. But what was the hardest part of your journey that nobody knows about?
The most hardest part of my journey was performing all the four rounds with my legs swollen.
How come your legs are swollen? What happened?
Actually, when we went there on the day we reached Lucknow, my legs were all fine. But from the second day when our competition was going to start, my legs started to swell, and till the second round it was fully swollen. And all of the four rounds I had to compete with my legs swollen. But the next day when we departed for Pune, my legs were all fine again.
I guess it must have been all the stress that you were going through. But commendable, in spite of your legs being swollen, you managed to do all the rounds and win the trophy. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright. Next, what was your aha moment? The point where you felt, yes, I can do this.
First of all, when I departed from Pune for Lucknow, I knew that I could win this competition. But still, to tell a moment that when my name was announced as the top 16 finalist for the final round, that time I felt that I could win this competition.
Super. Super. Tell us one funny or unexpected backstage moment from last year's UCC.
To tell a funny moment that one of my friend had to compete for his second round on the second day. His round was in the morning at 7 a.m. And he still was in the room sleeping. And our friends came and started banging the door.
Okay.
And I went and opened the door and they said, "Where is he? Where is he?" And kicked him and took him to the round.
That was definitely a very funny moment. So instead of sympathizing with him, I'm sure you laughed at him.
Yeah.
Alright. If you had to give one power tip to the 2025 participants, what would it be?
Be confident, don't lose your faith in yourself.
Super. How has winning UCC changed your confidence, personality, or opportunities?
Yes, my confidence had drastically changed after winning UCC, and there is also very noticeable change in my personality. And winning UCC had made it easier for me to get a job because wherever I go for interview, they consider my UCC title for me to give a job.
Okay, for you to get the job. Very good. Yes, as you said, Ayush, I really can see the confidence in you from the time you joined in first year to now. It's amazing. The transformation is amazing. Super.
Thank you.
Now, so, okay. Great. watching this right now.
Don't be afraid. Have faith in yourself and just compete. Don't worry about the result. Just focus on the present.
Absolutely right. And finally, will the 2025 batch be able to break your record? Now be honest.